and then this here, this is the fun one, the lower one. Okay, see, I cut the hose. So it's definitely committed to getting it done. So obviously, so yeah, so what, to get this on the clamp, yeah, it's really tough to get in there and then turn it. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm removing some of this plastic here so I can turn it and get to the clamp and then be able to put the new hose on and put the clamp on easier. All right, so yeah, I'm changing the hoses, radiator hoses, and just changing the fluid, the antifreeze. All right, so for the top one's not bad. I disconnected the positive negative for the battery. Okay, you can move it and get to that clamp. You can move it up. I used a bungee cord to hold it out of the way, or you can just kind of set it up there. Either way, it stays. So yeah, and this clamp wasn't too bad either. All right, so that one's nice. Of course, I drained the fluid. All right, petcock is down there. Okay, you can see it. Yeah. Okay, drain it, and then so there, air filter box. Okay. All right, this goes here like this. Okay, and then the air filter box just snaps in. Okay, so I took the front part out. All right, took it away from the throttle body. All right, and that comes out. All right, and then this just, yeah, this you can move. Okay, out of the way. See how it's got the little, just sits in there. Just the little deals, pushes in. All right, there's that. So I had the throttle body, took that off, cleaned it. There's 410 millimeters. Then a little switch here, a little plug-in sensor deal. Okay, and then also what I did down here is for the lines, the AC lines, there's a 10 millimeter under there. I undid it, gives a little bit more room. Okay. All right, and then down here, okay, the top part of the hose there. Okay, that wasn't too bad to get to. All right, and then this here, this is the fun one, the lower one. Okay, see, I cut the hose. So it's definitely committed to getting it done. So obviously, so yeah, so what, to get this on the clamp, yeah, it's really tough to get in there and then turn it. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm removing some of this plastic here so I can turn it and get to the clamp and then be able to put the new hose on and put the clamp on easier. All right, so yeah, definitely an awkward spot, but other than that, everything else is straightforward to, yeah, to get it done. And all right, yeah, so I got the hose on. Okay, yeah, the top, you know, wasn't too bad. I used the original clamp. It's not the easiest, but yeah, I used that. And then the bottom one, I just went ahead and got a regular clamp. So like I said, I broke some of the plastic off on the side. Mostly just to get that old clamp off, to turn it, and then it took a little while getting that clamp off. But this one, so now it's good to go. If I take it off in the future, easy, yeah. All right, and then also, yeah, so I took this off too, okay? This canister deal. All right, this is pretty easy. You just push in and pull it out. Okay, right here, you push in and then pull out, top and bottom. So, all right. All right, so that's it for that. So, yep, put some antifreeze in it and it's good to go. All right. Hey, thanks for watching. All right, bye now.